Look at that thing. Oh, baby. You see those back there? You already know what it is. We are gonna go out and do some test hits today. I'm gonna be doing it with another guy, you know, south of the border. We're gonna be going on a road trip for like 43 hours. I won't be filming anything for the 43 hours. But as soon as we get there, everything will be ready to go. Before we go, I need to get a couple wrenches. So that way, if something happens, I can fix things in Mexico. Just, oh man. I put my bumper on just a little bit ago, and it just brings everything together. So I'm thinking I'm probably gonna have to do something about this. I'm gonna have to like cut my throttle body or something to get this to go forward some, because my elbow here kind of sits over my radiator, and yeah, it does not clear the hood. So I'm gonna have to do something to get this out so that it'll be down lower. Kiss that thing goodbye tomorrow. Alright, and yeah, well, I did a couple of test hits and I broke my diff. So just a little update, I pulled the other diff. Turns out I broke my pinion again. It didn't explode out. I was able to drive it home. I will show you two clips right now. Good, you know, I spun a lot in first and a little bit in second. I missed third gear, caught third gear again, and the second one I decided to try it on high boost, 34 pounds, and well, it was okay at first, but I money shifted, which is something I never want to do again. I went 1-2-1 and I was giving her the full beans and I over revved. I probably hit like 10 or 11,000 RPM on the stock mains. I can't believe it even held together. I'm driving it right now. I mean, I'll get to that in a second. But after I did that, it over revved. I pushed the clutch in to like stop it, and my clutch got sucked in. I thought I destroyed my hydraulic throttle bearing, or I destroyed the clutch. I thought I blew up my engine. I broke my diff because I heard that as I was coasting to a stop. And today I installed a separate diff that I had. It is a 354 Q45 and it's welded. Unfortunately, it's welded, but it is doing the job right now. And yeah. So what we're doing today is I'm on my way to my buddy's house, who I told you guys about before. I'll probably introduce him as soon as I get there. But we are turning my car full race car. We're going to Fender exit. I don't know how many of you guys think that's awesome or not, but it's taken me a lot of motivation to like get myself to do it. So there's going to be a big old hole in my fender, and we're deleting my full exhaust, and we're doing a straight right out my fender. So that is the plan for today. So yeah, I'm just glad I had a spare diff, so that we can keep on making videos, keep on keeping on. I haven't even driven this transmission on the highway yet, but new differential, it ain't making any noises. It's actually quieter than my other one. So going for the reliability drive, guys, reliability. So I'll get back with you guys as soon as I get there, so we can get started on this new exhaust. Okay, I'm gonna do this little update now, since I haven't. Alright, so the plan is we're doing a 4-inch exhaust. We're going to come right out here, right through here, right out the fender. And he's a hero. He literally robbed parts off of his own race car for my car. So we're going full race car now. So he's basically the one that has encouraged me to do this, because I was on the fence about it, but he's reminded me that it's going to be pretty cool. So, yeah, we're going to get right into this. We got him plasma cutting over there, really causing some doo-ha. Been working on trying to get my intercooler pipe in a little bit further so I can put my hood on. Since beforehand, my stock one, or it's still a stock one, this is Austin's, it's been cut down a little bit. But beforehand, it would sit over my radiator, so there was no room. But now there is room under the hood for the hood. So I'm gonna do something to help Austin out because he needs an extension on his throttle body. So I don't know if we're gonna cut this, maybe have a piece of pipe welded to it so we can delete all this stuff. I know he doesn't like this stuff, but you know, this thing worked and obviously does work. But I needed to get something done because this pipe is a problem. Not being able to run a hood sucks. And as you guys just saw, there is now a ginormous hole in my engine bay, along with my other 3 holes. Hey, you want to make another hole over here for a matching hole? Gotta have a match. You gotta have equal weight. I got a plasma cutter hooked up. Yeah. So we got the moment of truth. He said there's tape on it, so I can't see it. There's a hole. Thank God I only have 1 turbo. Oh, that's gonna be sick. Oh, it's so illegal. Well, there's no turning back now. Just have you TIG weld it. Why do you have a welded circle on your fender? Just put the exhaust. I changed my mind, just like Tristan. All right, well, that was the moment of truth. There's nothing. I can't really go back, or I'm gonna have an ugly car. So, yeah. He's getting there. He's getting there. It's gonna be pretty sick. I thought you were missing a finger for a second. Oh man. We're turning into a race car, guys. She needs a bath really bad, but I was gonna wait for a hood. Just look at this. This ginormous hole. Okay, so I got all this finished, and the exhaust is now mocked up. Pretty much ready. He is welding at the moment. I'm gonna put this guy right on here. And, yeah, I think we're pretty much freaking ready. It's like freaking 12:30, so, yeah, it's getting pretty late. Look at that beautiful weld. Finally getting some pretty on my car. Alright, it is the next day, guys. It's really late. I always told you that I never cammed out, but it's cold right now. Oh, it's so awesome. It's so sick. Yes. Alright, so we're going to be going for a drive. Got my nephew with me. He wanted to go for a ride in the car. So we're going to go test out the new differential as well as the new exhaust. And we got the GoPro here. So we're just going to be doing a little cruise to end the video off. So like the video, comment, let me know what you guys think about the new exhaust system, and subscribe if you're new. And enjoy the rest of the video.
closer.